Hello everyone, so I am back with another video about the best drones on Amazon you can buy on Amazon. Subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon will give you access to more interesting videos. The following list is based on my personal opinion and research and is ranked based on quality, features and pricing. Check out the links in the description below for updated pricing and more information on the products mentioned. Ever wondered which drone can capture breathtaking shots without breaking the bank? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the best drones on Amazon that offer insane value, epic features, and smooth flying, all without draining your wallet. Welcome to the channel. If you're ready to upgrade your aerial game, stick around, because I've handpicked the top drones that actually deliver. Curious? You should be. And hey, if one catches your eye, check out the links in the description to grab yours. Let's take off into the skies, you're gonna love this. A video guide has been prepared to help you choose the best drones on Amazon. Let's begin. On number 5 is Holyton HT70. What if you could get pro-level drone footage without FAA registration and still stay under $400? The Holyton HT70, priced at $399.99, is shaking up the market with its 48MP 4K camera, Sony sensor, and 3-axis gimbal that keeps your shot steady, even in strong winds. Weighing just 249 g, it's incredibly portable and doesn't need a remote ID in the US, making it one of the most beginner-friendly options among the best drones on Amazon. With a 20,000-foot transmission range, GPS auto-return, quick shots, and visual tracking, it offers a polished flying experience that rivals much more expensive drones. Sure, the battery life isn't endless, but the quick charging makes up for it. Overall, the HT70 blends smart design, powerful performance, and stunning visuals into one sleek package that's hard to beat at this price. On number 4 is Specta Mini GPS. What if I told you that one of the best drones under $300 doesn't even need FAA registration? The Specta Mini GPS drone, priced at just $269, is a lightweight beast under 249 g, making it perfect for beginners and pros alike. It features a 4K UHD camera with a 3-axis gimbal for ultra-smooth, cinematic shots, even in level 5 winds, and captures stunning detail with its 2.3-inch CMOS sensor and 4x digital zoom. With a massive 10 km transmission range and up to 31 minutes of flight time, it rivals top picks like the DJI Mini 2 SE and Holyton HT70E, all while keeping things beginner-friendly with GPS return, auto-hover, and one-button takeoff. If you're hunting for the best drone on Amazon that packs power, portability, and pro features, Specta Mini is a serious contender. What's your take, worth the hype or not? On number 3 is BLINORY drone with camera. The BLINORY X60 drone with camera is an excellent choice for beginners seeking a high-quality yet affordable drone for aerial photography. Equipped with a 2K HD adjustable wide-angle camera, it captures stunning images and smooth videos from multiple angles. Its brushless motor ensures stable flight, while optical flow positioning enhances hovering precision. With beginner-friendly features like one-key takeoff, altitude hold, and headless mode, this foldable drone is easy to operate. The BLINORY X60 also includes fun extras such as 360 degrees flips, gesture selfies, and waypoint flight, making it ideal for casual use and creative shots. Two powerful 2,000 mAh batteries provide up to 24 minutes of flight time, giving users extended play without interruptions. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for travel. If you're searching for the best budget drone with a camera in 2025, the BLINORY X60 is a smart and reliable pick. On number 2 is Holyton HT70. Ever imagined capturing breathtaking 4K aerial shots without spending a fortune? The Holyton HT70 drone makes it possible at just $279.99. Equipped with a high-resolution Sony lens, 4K per 30 frames per second camera, and a 3-axis brushless gimbal, this drone delivers ultra-smooth, professional-quality footage even in windy conditions. Whether you're filming outdoor adventures or nighttime cityscapes, features like night mode, GPS follow me, and waypoint flight make it effortless. With a transmission range of up to 10,000 feet and built-in remote ID for FAA compliance, it's one of the most powerful and user-friendly drones for adults. Compared to other top-rated best drones on Amazon, the Holyton HT70 stands out for its value, performance, and ease of use. If you're searching for a reliable, feature-packed 4K drone for beginners or pros, this might be your perfect pick. Let your creativity soar with Holyton. Now moving to the last one is Toladrone TD31LCD. Ever thought you could fly a drone with real-time video without needing an app? Meet the Toladrone TD31LCD, a game-changer at just $139.99. This little powerhouse features a built-in LCD remote, so you can see exactly what your drone sees, no phone or app required, perfect for fast, on-the-go flights. With 4 brushless motors, it flies smoothly, quietly, and lasts longer than typical budget drones. The modular battery gives around 15 minutes of flight, and its foldable design makes it ultra-portable. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned flyer, features like one-key takeoff, headless mode, and fine-tuning controls make flying feel effortless. Plus, with 32 GB SD card support, you can store your best shots directly. Among the best drones on Amazon under $150, the TD31LCD stands out for ease and innovation. What do you think? Ready to fly smarter, not harder? So guys, this was the video about the best drones on Amazon. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, tell us in the comment section about which one you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.